Hello South Africa. 7 SASSA grants increases next week. As October begins, the South African Social Security Agency, SASSA, gears up to disburse much-needed support to vulnerable communities nationwide. SASSA has announced 7 increases in various social grants, providing critical financial relief to those who depend on these grants for their well-being. To ensure a smooth disbursement process, SASSA has outlined the payment dates for different grant categories: Tuesday, October 3, 2023, old age grants; Wednesday, October 4, 2023, disability grants; Thursday, October 5, 2023, children's grants. This structured payment schedule ensures that beneficiaries receive their grants promptly and without delay. SASSA is committed to enhancing the financial support provided through its various grant programs. Effective from October 1, 2023, beneficiaries will see the following increases. Older persons grant recipients between the ages of 60 and 74 will see their grant increase from 2080 Rand to 2090 Rand, while those over 75 will receive 2110 Rand. Disability grant: the disability grant will rise from 2080 Rand to 2090 Rand, providing vital assistance to individuals with disabilities. Child support grant: families caring for children will benefit from an increase in the child support grant, which will now be 510 Rand, up from 500 Rand. Child support grant top-up: the child support grant top-up remains unchanged at 250 Rand. Foster child grant: foster parents will receive an increase, with the foster child grant rising from 1120 Rand to 1130 Rand. Care dependency grant: the care dependency grant will also increase from 2080 Rand to 2090 Rand. War veterans grant: for those who have served their country, the war veterans grant will increase from 2100 Rand to 2110 Rand. Grant in aid: the grant in aid will rise from 500 Rand to 510 Rand. These adjustments reflect SASSA's commitment to improving the financial stability and well-being of South Africa's most vulnerable citizens. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.